16 September hier by ons Karoo, daar is nommer 12. Gerda, hier is nommer 13. Dis sy garage. Sy garage, hulle goed moes in. So hier is 18, 17 saam. Hier is lang terug, maar hier gaan ons eerste garage. Hier is my garage, nommer 7. Die derde een van die hoek af. Third one from the corner is 15. Here's 14. 14 is just above. He has nothing to do with Gerda. But on the CCTV footage, 2 beds, a small wall unit, the things was taken out here. My garage was locked here. Properly locked. Properly locked. Properly locked. With a fridge that I kept for him for months and months. About 8 months. Was standing here, phoning in January. And he said there's a bed, also a bed, nothing. There's a bed here and a single bed. That's why I lock. Down here, number 7. We've been staying 2 years. 2 years we've been staying at number 7. We've been staying here 2 years. 2 years I've been staying here at the Karoo. 2 years. My garage here, kept it locked. I kept it locked like that, with a lock. On the 12th of September, I started breaking it off. In the end, very off. Sarah doesn't want to bring the keys she had. But yeah, when did they put the bed in there? Nobody's got the lock. The lock. It's only I've got the keys and the lock. Only I can open there. So who's lying?